Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Data Structure using C++ lecture series. In the previous lecture, we learn about how to take the input, store the value, and perform the calculation. Now, today, we are going to start our first data structure concept, that is array. Let us understand practically by writing the program step by step. First, I will write hash include bracket in bracket iostream. So, student, what is this? We already know that IOStream is used for input and output operation. Then I will write using namespace standard. This help us to simple command like cout and cin. So how to start the program? Int main. Main is the starting point of our program. Now suppose I want to store marks of 5 student. How I will write normally? Int mark 1, int mark 2, int mark 3, int mark 4 and int mark 5. Is this way is correct? So I can suppose if I, okay, these are 5 students. Suppose if I have 50 students, 100 students, 1000 students. So instead of creating many variable, we use an array. So for 5 student, I can write int mark in square bracket 5. So here int means we are storing integer value and marks is the name of variable. And what is that in square bracket 5 means array can store 5 values. Now I want to print that values. So I want the user to enter 5 marks. So I can use the loop and which is called as for loop. Now how I can write for I equal to for int. We have to declare it. Int I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus and then opening brace. What happening here? Initially I equal to 0 means we are starting with 0. We are starting from 0. Why 0? Because array indexing start from 0. So for 5 elements the index will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now inside the loop I will write cout enter the marks. This simply display the message on the screen. But I want input now. What I will write? Cin. Again angle brackets marks of I. This is most important line. Suppose first time I equal to 0, then it will take marks of 0. Now first value is stored at 0th location. Then next time I is 1, I equal to 1, then it becomes cin and then it will take the marks of 1. Similarly marks of 2, marks of 3 and marks of 4. So one loop is taking all the 5 values. Then finally close the loop. Then after this you can write cout marks are. So for fetching the marks, now again I can use a loop for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus and cout marks of I. Then end line. Again when I equal to 0, it will display marks of 0. When I equal to 1, it will display marks of 1. It will continue till index 4. So that is how our C program. You can see. Now you can run this program and enter it. Check the out. What we learned today. Instead of creating 5 different variable, we created only one array with the help of loop, and this is called as for loop. Thank you very much.